you will see your output here, like x is equal to 4, y is equal to x 2. When we run this section, you will see here the result. This is a live script. Other one is new script, like script or M file which stored MATLAB function. These are usually used for programming and can also be easier to use than a live script. When we want to calculation with the numbers, data processing, like simple programming and finding numerical solution to differential equation, we use simple script. Okay, so that video was about MATLAB command window. Thank you so much for watching.